How to serve a created temp file in Django. I have a remote storage project that when the user requests his file, the Django server retrieves and stores the file locally, for some processing, as a temporary file and then serves it to the user with modx send file. I certainly want the temp file to be deleted after it is served to the user. The documentation state that named temporary file delete argument if set to false leads to deletion of the file after that all the references are gone. But when the user is served the temp file, it doesn't get deleted. If I set the delete equals true in case of downloading, I get the requested URL serve segment test.jpg was not found on this server. Here is a view to list the user files. This is the view which retrieves, stores temporarily and serve the requested file. I guess if I could manage to return the response inside with a statement and after that, the last chunk was written, it would work as I want, but I found no solution regarding how to determine if we are in the last loop, without being hackish. What should I do to serve the temp file and have it deleted right after?
Adding a generalized answer, based on servals, that avoids using signals by doing the cleanup in a finally block. While the directory entry is deleted by os.remove on the way out, the underlying file remains open until file response closes it. You can check this by inspecting response.closable_objects of 0.fileno in the finally block with PDB, and checking open files with lsof in another terminal while it's paused. It looks like it's important that you're on a Unix system if you're going to use this solution. See os.remove docs. This URL.
Any file created by temp file will be deleted once the file handler is closed. In your case, when you exit the with statement, the delete equals false argument prevent this behavior and let the deletion up to the application. You can delete the file after it's been sent by registering a signal handler that will unlink the file once response is sent. Your example does nothing on the file, so you might want to stream the content directly with streaming response or file response. But as you said you stores the file locally, for some processing, I would suggest thinking on doing the processing without any temporary file created and only work with streams.
Disposable files. Currently your file is being deleted before your read. At the end return. The temporary file will be closed when the read is complete and therefore deleted. Non-disposable files. For those who stumble across this post and do not have an automatically disposable file handle. From the other answers, signals seem to be a reasonable solution, however passing data required altering protected members. I was unsure how supported it would be in the future. I also found that WHP solution did not work in the current version of Django. The most future-proof version I could come up with was monkey patching the file output so the file is deleted on close. Django closes the file handles at the end of sending the file and I can't see that changing.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.